Daytime stream. News, huh? I can't hear you. TTS not working again. I have no clue why and how. It's somehow somehow it doesn't work. I can do TTS for me, but yours won't work. Where is it? My relay doesn't work. All right. Okay. So last time I have no. Let me test it. It doesn't. Did it work? I think my local one. Hey Carl! Yes. Are you chilling? So, this is the state of the project since last time. I know what we had several issues. I don't know. I coded like another 8 hours on that, so that's the new state. We have a text buffer, but we have still some shifts here. Hey Artem. Yeah, the shifts in the lines. I show you what we did since last. Or I did since last time. Let's skip to that here. Okay. Yeah. Oh, Atom, you missed that one. Yeah, we're using a 10 cent risk to generate a video signal, black and white, but yeah, the frame buffer is shifted because we're starting at line 0, which isn't the one that is shown. So the frame is made. Here we go. Usually we have 304 lines. We start at this line, but there are, I think, 17 lines that are off screen. So that's, oh wait, the moire effect is too strong. Let me do a manual focus so we defocus a little bit like that. You hate it? You can see the lowest rows are not shifted at all, while the upper ones are. And the only difference that's happening is that we block, we are probably at the limits that we can do in the interrupt handler. So what I'm doing right now in the interrupt handler is just calculating Oh, software decoding of PAL. Yeah, good luck with that. Also with NTSC. That's analog stuff. Encoding is much easier, especially black and white, but color, I don't want to switch with you. Okay, so what's currently happening is I'm holding back. Let me paint it. We are pre-calculating. Like we have 8 rows of buffer currently. We don't need 8, but I calculated 8 buffer now. So we might need to change it. And while our scan line runs like that, the buffer is repeated twice since we double the lines. And I'm pre-calculating basically this one here. This one is rendered. What I'm currently doing is, and we have of each, there is a copy of each buffer if we draw the scan lines. What I'm doing is I'm overwriting like basically the last one that was already scanned, and currently I'm rendering the text of a complete line, but somewhere here after this line there is an interrupt, but it isn't really triggered in time because this one is still slower rendering somewhere here. So the next interrupt will be delayed because I pre-calculated in the interrupt right now. Where's my IDE? Here. So I moved everything to the interrupt, and let's remove that. I don't need that anymore here. And okay, we only updating the lines each other line, but then we don't update lines that are past our text buffer. That's why we see several repeats of line 0 here. These are just pre-rendered lines, which are, you can see like the first half of the zeros are a little bit delayed and then they are okay. So what we can do now is we can optimize the rendering of this, so we could actually achieve double the resolution and Y, or we can only render half a line because we have 2 lines time to keep up with what's happening there. So I would split in half, or we can try to optimize it. Optimizing might be good here, but I trust the GCC to optimize it correctly. So if we have, we can try to change, okay, VRAM. Render line, let's say, oops, we make this pointer, but I don't believe that we actually are, oh, what am I doing here? Pointer is basically VRAM, this pixels front and no X, and then we do Don't trust it. Okay. Maybe this is some sort of debug setting and it's okay. We can do that, or we can int 32. Okay, let's try if this changes anything, but I don't believe it does. At least. Oh, interesting. Huh? Wait, what? Why is it gray now? It's incrementing here. Hey, VC Trivlat. Okay. A complicated name. Why did it change the appearance here? It shouldn't at all. Hi Victor. We are using a 10-cent microcontroller to generate a black and white PAL signal. Now, hey Louis! And now I changed something that shouldn't be relevant, but it changes how it appears. Okay, let me switch that again, because I don't think we changed. It's going great, but yeah, I implemented a chat relay to my website, and we are using Chrome TTS for doing the TTS, but my relay on my server doesn't work. I don't know why. At least Node-RED says it connects, but it doesn't. Sometimes it happens. Last time we needed to restart the server, and I don't know why. So always the server. Yeah, I tried to reboot. Wait, let me show you here. Oh, wait! We had invalid user. Wait, do I have multiple ones open? No, this is wrong. Maybe I have two PowerShells now. Okay, there was an invalid try. Let me check again if I... I need... Where is my Node-RED? I need to authenticate first. I have too many windows open. But you will, I mean, the troubles with Discord are now replaced with troubles with my server. Oh, okay. TTS should be working now. So try, where is it? Here. I put it also on the screen. connect and test. Okay, now I hear it twice. So I can close the local TTS. Okay, so this is our URL for the text to speech. You just need to press the button. Where is it? I can take this one here. Okay. Hey Richard, we have some people that are rarely online. Hey Dutch. Oh wait, huh? Is this an old chat? How many chats do I have open here? I have multiple, too many tabs. This is old chat. Here we go. I just zoom out a little bit. Okay, but TTS works with from that on my server. The server needed a little bit rest. I thought Richard was here, but it was the old one. Anyways, here we go. What did I change except for this part? Plus X. It was just this plus X, or X plus what is oh, yeah. I'm rewriting. Oh wait, the address needs to be like this. Okay, sorry. This was my fault. So Louis, are you at work currently? Or do you have free time? Enjoying your birthday week. Ah, a birthday week. That looks alright. Wait a second. GCC, you suck. Just this little change fixed it for us. Just this little change fixed it for us. What? No way. Okay, that's fixed. We can do this now. Never trust the optimizer. Ship it, yeah. You're right. I'm putting that on GitHub here. We can also remove the old implementations, PWM and this one. I don't want, no, let's do this one. Remove that, DMA, and we in the main C, we can remove that. And oh, it is shifted a little bit, but all of those are shifted there. Interesting. It might be that we are still let me sync the changes. Let's see if we can fix it by just drawing 10 characters, okay? Here we go. No, it's still. So it's not the timing here, it's something else. If we do just one character, no, 2 characters, let's update 2 characters here. There's even more shifting. Oh, what if we get a variance in time just by engaging in the rendering here? I mean, okay, we can fix that. We can maybe fix that by setting the counter and enabling it here, comparing the counter and enabling it when we reach the clock cycles that we expect. So to have perfect timing, wait for per or fixed sync. But I'm not sure if that actually fixes stuff. So our counter, where is the compare counter? We need, this is the wrong stuff here. Timer, static counter, system clock. Okay, that's timers. Where is it? Systig. System timer. Nice. Core provides system. That's great information. Thank you for nothing. The datasheet is so ridiculously bad. Okay, let's try to find information within. We have it here. No, we don't have it here. What is this? Oh, that's the ISP. We can program it over USB. Let's see system here. We just browse the API and see. Yeah, I have that chip. I think I have several ones. Keyword, but I want just this 10-cent chip. Time. There is nothing there. Object. Set system clock. Oh, that's just for the system clock here. Set system clock. Okay. Then we have here, Systig. Okay. We need to configure it somewhere here. Compare. How many clocks do we need per? That's 100 megahertz divided by wait 0.00064. No, that's a pixel. 64 microseconds. No, microseconds is one line. Yeah. No, times. Oh, fuck. 0.64 microseconds times. Wait, what? I okay, this is 6,400. Add cystic. We will need to update this earlier. Counter. Counter and then sys. Oh, there is a cystic config. Hey Kaspar, did you turn on the notifications? I announced it 10 minutes prior to the stream. Yeah, control, what is this? Compare count large and count, no, low. Okay. Are there multiple ones? Low and high? Compare. Control. Count. Count low. Huh? Why do we have compare and compare low but no high? Because there is, reserved. Probably, yeah, it's probably reserved because it's compatible. Oh yeah, there is the reserved for high value. It's only at 32 bits counter. The other ones, like the bigger RISC-V, they have the high value. So we only need to do that. And we can do while systic Can we wait for the trigger? Okay, now I need to find ChatGPT. Wait a second. No, my day job is... I did a lot of off-screen. Do you see that? Do you see that? Most of that happened while I was not streaming. And the last stream was 9.5 hours. You remember that? I need to sleep during the day. Today's weather is really good. One of the last good days. So I won't be streaming for like longer than 3 o'clock. I really wanted to let you participate in the achievements here. Blah blah blah, control register, okay. A calibration. It is PWM. You know what's funny? I show you something. Here, I noticed when I was off stream. Do you see that? When you turn on this TV, it's not in the video mode. It's receiving from the antenna. And because we are using PWM, it receives over antenna the same image. We have like a high frequency transmitter here. And if we search, we can actually find it, I think at the end of this spectrum. VHF3. No. It's not syncing up. Oh wait, do I have like still a white box? It looks like I have still some white there that shouldn't be there. Let me check that. UHF scans really slowly. But we could do even RF transmitting, and if we are keen, we could try to encode sound as well. What? Oh, look that! It's inverted. Funny. Yeah, base frequency, we have like 6 megahertz. These are basically overtones and undertones. Let me do overtones and undertones of that we match. Oh, I need to fix something first here. Wait, because I think no, it's black sync. There is no white. Okay, it doesn't like that, but yeah. Let's switch to that. PWM, here we go. And we are at the limits of the RAM as well. Did it show? No, okay, I can see that. Okay, let me get. Okay, maybe. Yeah, there's no. Compare value when the counter timer triggers interrupt event, but count control register, but there is this SR. Okay, possibly mode bits behavior status register contains flag includes least interrupt compare. Okay, you know what? This is just guessing here, because there is like yeah, this is enable, interrupt, mode, etc. Mode is, I think, divider, the 8 clock by 8 divider, sysdig handler. But I don't want the sysdig handler specific period. Yeah, no. Let me check the other control, the other sheets, because okay. It will be similar. Nope. This is not it. I search my download folder. Strange. I don't have anything on that. Okay. Yeah, X. That's the X. Okay, cystic timer. Hey, Johnny. Do you see that? That's done with PWM. Wait. Other registers. Oh, nice. That's good news for you, huh? Okay, I need to get another manual because this one doesn't help either. Okay, cystic. Huh? Wait. Retirement? You're retired? I thought you were working still. But you're still... That's F. V. Yeah. Okay. Let's try this one. What do I need to do to get a description of the sysdig timer? Okay, here we go. System control register. Free my. Yeah, congratulations. Oh, please don't get in trouble, Kasper. Okay, so we have software interrupt trigger to be cleared by software, otherwise it's constantly triggered. Okay, no software interrupt. Interrupt when, okay, mode counting up. We don't need that. So basically maximum value. Auto reload count enable bit continue to up count after up counting to the compare value and down count from the maximum value after down counting to 0. Continue, okay. Okay, we don't need to continue there. Start counting from 0 again. Okay, this is what we want. So we need to sys this needs to be 399 because we compare to that value and then start from 0 again. Or does it? I'm not sure. Counter compare. Cleared by writing invalid when writing 1. That's SR. The value not reached. Okay, we need to check if we can use the flag even without the interrupt. So we can wait for that. That would be amazing. Count up. And we also need to shorten what we do with the DMA stuff, because the DMA might take longer with all the overhead. So we can end the line earlier, save even some time there. Okay, sysdig, that was control. Now, control let's disable it first. Then set account to 0. Then let's do or 640? No, 6,400 clocks. That's the clocks that we have for one line. Oh, you people are spoiled. I want free money too. Congratulations to you too, Tech. That's good problems to have. That you earn, you get so much free money that you need to pay taxes. I will never reach retirement in my age. Pulling away the retirement age from me. They pulled it away from 65. I mean, you could go earlier, like 63 or something. Now regular was 65. They pulled it away from me to 67. Now 70 is in the talking. When I reach 70, it will be 80. No free money for me. Now you can watch streamers struggling all day here, trying to make video work with ridiculously cheap MCUs. Counter interrupt disabled. Yeah, we don't need interrupt disabled. That's basically 1, that's 0. We can do spaces here in this case. Artem, your voice selection is really hard to understand. When you retire like from minimal wage, so I will not have my retirement payments. Haha, so small. Yeah. Yeah, I pay also retirement, the regular one, but it will be probably just enough to pay, I don't know, my health insurance. Health insurance and some expenses for the house and food and everything else. I will need to stream more as a grand. No, I will never be a granddad, but as an old fart. Old fart streamer, programming CRT tubes or whatever. No, glass blowing. We will do some glass blowing classes to make CRT tubes. They raised the bus and... Oh, wow. Up. Let's do no int. Count up. And what else do we have? Init. That's basically bit number 0, 1, 2, 3. André Fiedler. Yeah, probably. Who will pay for it? The few kids that we made? 0, 5, okay. Wait, count up. That's mode. Oh, I need to do this is 3. We need another one here. That's 2, and this will be clock time base. No. Or let's write it like that. Count up, and then we have reload. Okay, so this is the compare value. Count, control, let's turn it off, and then start. Let's compile it and see if, okay, it's still working. Now, why is cystic? Oh wow, only 15 years of work. I'm working already for full time for 20 plus some extra with the 5 years on top. University counts as well. I have my 25 already. I will retire now. But we need, I think, 40 years or something in Germany to go to retirement without penalties. I don't know. Cause I don't know. Doesn't matter. If you want to retire fast, you need to work in police or other forces. Yeah, it's the same in Poland, I believe. If you're a firefighter, you can retire like with 40 or something. Yeah, maybe Casper knows more about that. But I think my cousins did something like that. High risk jobs, yeah. I'm doing also high risk here. This is CRTs are high voltage. I'm working with high voltage all the time. Yeah. SR, cystic, SR was the one. Not anymore, they changed it. Oh, so he was fast enough. My cousin was fast enough. Why not SR? Okay, If that doesn't work, if it blocks it in the interrupt, then, and we need to reload SR here. Okay, here we go. Because we turned off the interrupt. Yeah, doesn't work. Okay, so let's do the following. Maybe we need, this is all, never block an interrupt. Okay, we have interrupt disabled, that's why that won't work. Count. What do we have? 60,000, 6,000? What was it? 6,000? Let's wait half of it. Now each second line will be really out of sync. We need to shorten the display time. Okay, I need the scope now. I don't know what's happening. And I probably need reload, let's say 10. You already get bold and have a shaped left eye from work with unqualified people. Oh, there is nothing. It blocks up. Okay. Okay, now let's reload manually. Now it's blocked. Ah. Wait, shorter than 3. No. $6,400. Yeah, okay. How much can we do? We do the reload. Do we do reload? Yes, minus reload. Pixels reload. That's the end address. End address. Pixels reload. Okay, let's do more reload. What is the back? Oh, back is only 10. need at least 1 pixel there. Still off. Let's check if it's reloading. I don't think it's reloading. Yeah. Return IQ handler instead in the... What do you mean? If return, no. We are, so this is the interrupt for the what we trying to do is we received the interrupt at the end of the DMA buffer. We cut the DMA buffer short, so the interrupt is triggered earlier, and we just delay until we reach the system ticks to actually the real scan line duration to have a perfect sync. That should be a perfect sync. I don't know why it's not. We can check on the scope though. No. It's not. Oh, I turned off the camera. I wanted to turn on the autofocus. Wait. So we have an oddity here. This is what happens at the end. These are the numbers. This is the sync signal. Huh? Wait a second, that's 550 microseconds. No, this is a frame. What is this garbage here? Yeah. Oh, we have a low pass filter here, so this is actually what the TV sees. One microsecond. Wait. So this is let me do a bigger. Okay, these are the pixels. This is the timing. Feels like there's something else going on as well. Let me measure the cursors. Period. Zones. I don't know what zone. Okay, yeah, I need to do manual. Touch displays sometimes. 62. Okay, this is 62 now. Ah, where's my desktop? Here, yeah. 62, that's it shouldn't be. Oh wait. Doesn't do what it's supposed to do. I did. It does. nothing. Does it? Okay, now we can try. That's a lot more. Okay. Nope. Huh? It's always above 6,500. But I set it to... Okay, let's do something odd. Huh? Maybe you can't write to the counter. Is the counter read only? Let me check that. Read write. Hey Oleg. I have no clue what's going on here. It's like this code not even running, or do I compile problems? No error. Huh? Arduino ports for G8. What? Yes, there are, I think, yeah. But not for this exact one. I have an idea what we can do here. How about we use our display to display the counter. Okay, so that's just PWM. Text buffer. Let's put it in row number 10. Let's do 12 minus I. Counter divided by I times 8. No, times 4. Digits and 15. Okay, so we display the number on screen and we put the counter here. And this is volatile. Okay, let's see. Now everything is off. Okay, let me remove that. Wait, that needs to go. We wait for the restart. And do this here, okay? Oh, we need 16. No, wait. Oh, we need hex. We need something else. No, wait. 4, we have 2 are 8-bit, 4 is 16, 32 is 8. No, that's correct. 8. And then we need... Well, let's do that in... Okay. Ah. The focus, the moire effect. Counter is counting up. Let's move it a little. Not 15, let's go, yeah, 12. And what I wanted is to reload, but reload doesn't work. Count up. Oh, it's counting down. Do you see that? Let me zoom in a little bit for you. We have now debug on our... Oh, I didn't even record. So we are debugging on the screen our SysTick timer, and it's counting down. So yeah, I need to fix that. Counting up. I don't know why it's... Is this... Oh, now it reloads. This is wrong. The documentation, this is reload. Okay, so this is reload. Let's check. But I will count down first. Oh, this is counting up. This is counting up now. Okay. Whatever. This is what I wanted. Now let's do something else. I want cystic SR be this, and now we need to display we can do, where is the counter here? So we don't need that anymore. It's 1. Okay. So cystic SR is triggered. Here. Yeah! Yeah, I fixed it! I fixed it! Oh! What? No, 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 no. Let's autofocus. People, I fixed it. Yeah! Oh, this is amazing. I just fixed it with cystic counter. Hey Christian, you're right on time. We have perfect timing now. Oh, this is so cool. This is so cool. Oh, that's cool. Okay. Nice. We can do frames. We can increment frames now. Let's do frames. Yeah. But it's also black and white, which the color is the oh, counter plus plus. Brain fart here. Oh, yeah. This is amazing. No, it is not. It is this color, but we can generate color for now. This is cool. Ah, amazing. Yo, dog, I heard you like CRT, so I made a CRT for you. No. Here we go. It's perfect. The moire effects are terrible for you. Small dot pitch. Ah. We can try. We can try. We could try doing that. Let me do double the lines now. Text startup. Okay, I need to commit that first. Perfect timing. Whoop whoop. Here we go. can find it on my GitHub. Okay, we do nothing here. And we do nothing here. Let's see if we can actually make it. Double the... What? Double the resolution? What? Yeah. Oh. We can have twice as many lines now. This is cool. Okay. How about twice the horizontal resolution? But we can catch up with that. Let me do a smaller buffer. This is too much resolution. I would need to simplify that as well. Let's try fewer lines. We can prepare some black lines as well, maybe. The pixel reload is cool. We can actually save some memory by using the system tick at the end. Oh, there is one thing that I could try. I could even improve that to be here. So we have let's see if it's still working. I need to test it every single step. Okay, I'm stuck in my head for a second. Yeah, let's try three lines is bad. Can we do 2 lines? I don't believe we can catch up with that. Can we fill the buffer as fast? We probably can't. Text buffer. Assembler. I'm wondering we can maybe even check the binaries for. No binaries. Is there an output for our project? There might be assembly available, and we can check how it looks like. Tup, tup, tup. No. Maybe if I switch like to debugging or something, we could see that. Okay, so set line sync. Init video. Main. Oh, this is some other code. Let me set PW MDMA. Let me set a breakpoint. Here it won't trigger. Oh, look at that! We actually can look at our code here. VRAM. And I 4-byte. What is this? Is this like an unknown opcode? Timer RQ handler. Oh no, that might be the level gray, and that's strange. Level white. Oh, we are also using gray and white. Okay, sys class. It doesn't look overcomplicated. I don't know if I can optimize more. I will set this back, and can I change the profile, build? Run configurations. Let me check project properties. Compiler flag and where? Optimization, we have it here. Okay, message length 0. What? Optimization. Char is signed. Oh. Toolchain build variables. No. Environment. Build artifact. Build steps. Okay, let's not waste time on that. What I will try now is to reduce the VRAM and use it only with 4 buffers. So we do like 3 and that's not VRAM. Y and Y is 3 plus 3. Okay, let's see if we've managed to do it. We probably are. Wait, what? No. Y is N7 and this is no. VRAM Y. And 7 and this is oops, this will be it. Okay, we save up some memory here. Object dump, yeah. So what we can do now is we can't do it. If we double the resolution, if we double the resolution, then we will run out of memory. Currently, let me check. We have 3 there. No, we have 2. No, 3. And this will be 4. We could optimize that to we don't need 10 even, so it's only 2. Oh, it's not there for this timer. That is for PWM, but that never worked. It's really strange. I tried the example that's using the PWM. We are using the timer PWM, and there is another PWM X. I will show it to you in a second. If you can find a way to change that, that'd be amazing. What we can do is the sync signals, we can basically use a lower resolution there. We just need to reload it. Oh wait, Kaspar, you should work. You are engaged. Programming mode. Sync VRAM. Okay, so sync VRAM 0, 1. Yes, I could do that. And that's 1, 1. Okay. Let's see. Okay, this still works. How much memory? Oh, wait. Are you monitoring servers? All right. Here, okay. Text, data, VSS. Wait. Oh, we have some kilobytes here. How about we try to allocate 400 here minus reload will be 18. Yeah, let's do that. Yeah, let's do 400 first. Let's see if that works. 94%, yeah. That's all we can do. It will probably not even run anymore. Look at that. Yeah, the stack is too small now. We have no memory left. Can we do double buffer? It's even in a really stupid state right now because, okay, sometimes I get problems. Okay, double buffering. Hey Dennis, thanks for the follow. What I will try is only using one VRAM buffer, two VRAM buffers. Line sync. Wait, no. Where am I? Here. Oh, we are still good. Okay. Only double buffer. The only problem is this one here. We might not have enough RAM for that. No. Huh? Something's off. Oh, it's in a weird state. Okay. %62%. Why does it stop working? Huh? This is really weird. We have enough RAM left. Hmm. I believe so. I'm not sure. Do you think it's nah? We just made it shorter by two. Look at that. If I do 4 buffers, it still compiles, so I could double the length, and it shouldn't be a problem. So what's the issue actually? If I do 400, it stops working. This is really weird. That's all right. It's like Does it need to be continuous? But no. That's really weird. Frame lines. Maybe I'm overwriting. No. Wow. This is, I can't change anything about this. Okay, let me add one. I changed, no, that it doesn't change anything in the code. It shouldn't be affected at all. You see that? 256 stops working. 255. $250. It's weird. 240. Wait, what was that? There was something. I saw an output. Oh, you know what the issue might be? Oh wait, what is this? Undefined behavior. Oh. Oh, yeah, okay. That's what's breaking it. Okay, 400. Can we do this one as well, 400? Oh yeah. We can double the resolution, but the text fill can't be done in one go. No, we can do only like a small section of the screen in high resolution. I don't think we will be able to handle it correctly. Also, our text buffer needs to quadruple or something. Okay, let's try high res. I'm messing around here. Let me do low res check-in. So I'll be render line 1 and also the init where is it? Here, 1. I should make it a constant. Okay. Um, okay. And that will be um, constant propagation. Okay, let's do that. Line doubling. Yeah, I don't know how to do that. That's ugly code. Let's leave it like that. I hope it optimizes better. Okay, double the resolution. Now we need to reload will be 18. We can do even 19 pixels per line, 400. Nice. You are progressing so fast. 32. XRes will be 300 pixels. Whoop whoop. Did I miss anything? Uh, 1600. 1600. Okay. Yeah, it doesn't catch up. What happens there? Oh wait. Looks good for you. Wait, cycle 16, here we go. And we need some level changes as well. That will be 4, 10, 16. Now let's do that here. Okay, double resolution is working. Now for the camera. High res, my dudes. Okay, the magic. Oh yeah, the magic. The magic that did the job was I wrote it on Discord. I just found it here. You just need to. It's 24 times faster to use the. No, not interrupt. Where is it? Section high code. Here. If you use that, I just found it in the assembly here. This section on coincidence, it loads high code from Flash in RAM, and that runs 4 times faster. That's why we can do this here now, high resolution update. But we are only updating half of the screen, so I don't believe it will work with full text. Let's see. Okay. Mal eben, hello. Retina display. Sometimes it's a little bit jittery, but should be alright. Good enough for Rickroll. We need run length encoded Rickroll here. Okay. We have almost an hour left before I go outside. It's warm outside. The sun is coming in. Ah! Okay, let's extend the text buffer. Text buffer is 32. It might be even higher. Higher might be possible. I don't know if start text. Yeah. 3 days, yeah. Start text C and 16. Let's double that. 15. Does it fit in the RAM? It fits in the RAM. Now, let's see how much we can scan without it breaking. Let's try full resolution. Okay, peeps. Leap of faith. Let's try to draw full resolution text. 32 characters. But I don't think it will be fast enough. No. Huh? Wait, did it compile? Why don't I see... Oh, wait, here, column, 32 columns. Okay, moment of truth. Yes, look at that. This is different buffer than this. Oh. Unbelievable, full resolution here. Almost full. I mean, we're printing only 32 characters. This is cool. All I ever wanted, all I ever needed is this in my life. So, what is the actual resolution that we can... We have sync signal. It looks like we could shift it a little bit and get more horizontal resolution out of it. What was the original 40 characters? Do you think we can fit 8 more? Modulo, let's do that. Not start text. Zero plus C modulo 10. There is still this number, the counter is still printing here. Okay, 32. We would also need to shift it a little bit. So if we are in the non-visible region, we need to shift it down. Um, 256. You can't see, the font is so small, you can't see anything. I need to zoom you more. Enhance. What happens if I add more lines? We can do now 32. %. Okay. So we need to initialize that 32 lines. And row wait text buffer R render line 255. Here we go. All right, we have the full frame buffer. Now let's optimize a little bit. We need the thing to start properly. Current line. What's the blanking? What did I say? 25, 8, 20, 17 lines. If v line else, okay, and that will be basically filling it up with black. That's also one that was just working by coincidence. So we need VRAM that's basically what? It's the alternating. That clears up a little bit time for the main processor to work a little bit. P is basically I have no clue if this works. Will probably destroy everything. It didn't change anything. Huh? I need to find out the first row. So let's set the text buffer text buffer 0, 0. What do we need to set the tell there? Yeah, let's just do a space. Okay, space is still clipped. I will shift more. V blank. That's the 20. At least on this TV. I mean, on other TVs it could work differently. The first row is still clipped on the TV. Oh, wait. No. That's alright. V blank. Okay, let's do 21 then. Strange. 24. Don't see a difference there. It just clipped and shifted downwards. Hey, Lewis! You missed all the fun. We are showing high resolution here. Why do we clip the first line? Is it shown down there? We are probably because we move it by 1. V line needs to start at 1 and then alternate. That's the issue. Or we fill up. No. This is odd. This is really, really odd. But trust me, no. I will remove everything. And then alternate here. No shift anymore. Oh wait. No, it's current line. Oh, we might be messing around with the wrong buffer now. Okay. Let me check. Not that we are rendering the next one. Line 1. That's 0. We always start at 0. Why do we clip here? +1 and then new render line. Why? Y at and 1. No. Oh, let's move the blanking phase to the end. So basically what we do is v blank then we only need to do one. That's 0. Oops. Oh, why is this off? +8? No. There was a substantial error in there. Wow. Okay. This is messing around now. Okay, changing too much. It will probably work, but yeah, look at that. This is the blanks needs to go here at the end. And then we have we don't do anything. Current line. I do something else. Let me remove that. If current line, okay. Is shorter. If current line, now we need to initialize the blank. If current line, but we can save more memory even, equals 255. Okay. What? 4C? What's going on? That's VRAM 0. Oh no, we need to double it up. It's 255. Ah, okay. We need to fill up both, otherwise we would need to swap the buffer again. Okay. To 5.5 to 5.4. Five, 6. that needs to be prepared for the next line, and then the next render line. That's really shitty. But we are converging to the one solution that I thought would be good at the end. Let's see if we can still manage to pull this off here. We need to prepare the first line again. So current line is 5, 6, 7. Then it will okay. Holy flame. Yeah, you need to thank Christian, because he said it would be cool to see what progress I do. And I did some progress off stream. So yeah, render line is basically current line plus 1 and 255. That's this. Unless it's 257, then render line is 0. Then we have some blanking, vertical blanking phase, which really is giving us more calculation time in the main process. And then we have the rendered line that needs to go inside of that loop. I hope this doesn't fill up the buffers too much, because we're copying this huge thing in the RAM. Okay. Okay, the first one looks broken. The first row. And why is it filled with white? Down there we have the two black rows. Oh, that might be odd. Two black rows, then it prepares the first row. That looks alright. But then what is this? Oh yeah, let's do still that, because we are accessing that. Still broken first lines. Wait, let's leave this be. No, we need a full resolution full resolution here. This is odd because we have, hey TJR, if we fill it up with zeros, yeah, no, I and 1, let's leave it like that. And what we need here is, if it's 304, sorry, here v blank is basically 304 at line not 304. The total lines are 312. 300. We have the sinks. No, 304. Okay. We do blanking after that. Oh, I need a break soon. Okay, if current line, we have basically rendering these many visible lines. If current line is we do this first, so we know what's the next line to render is. So I don't need that. Okay, if current line is, then we render something. Then if current line is greater than 255, then we render that, which is current line. We don't need to invert it anymore, that's simpler. We could also use damn it. We are not rendering the okay. That's this face. Minus v blank. I will fix it later. I just want it in a good state. $312 minus. We don't render next one. Okay. This will either go completely wrong or it will work. Okay, let's program it. It went wrong. No! Ay, 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 ay. Oh, it's in a weird state. Okay. Oh yeah, we also accessing it. Current line, render line is basically that needs to go as well. Shorter than this. We can do even 256 because that's our text buffer. And then if okay, let's draw the text buffer. Text buffer is working. Now let's draw the blanking. Ah. If current line is equals let's do 256, or in that case we fill it with blanks. Oh, we have even time to do a single one. So we can do v blank 1 in that case. VRAM 1, and then we just do VRAM 1 and px black No, didn't work. What? Why not? It didn't blanket here. It should be blank at the end. Else. That's doesn't need the else. Current line. Okay. VRAM 1. VRAM 1. Huh? Oh. Wait, no, 256. We need, yeah. That's alright. We need the black also for the next one, unless we are, yeah, nee. There is no way around. Okay, black level. That's all right. Oops. Okay. No more cutoff. The only issue that I see right now is what's happening to the top. It shows the long sync somehow. No, there's short sync, short, and then it starts right away with the frame. No, can't be. With the blanking after that. So the buffers VRAM, they are shown directly before. This is the sync. Then we have VBlank lines, which 24. Let's do. We have 304 lines. Let's do 50. Huh? Why is this white? Did it fix the white level here? This is level black. It tries to balance it. It doesn't know the actual level. Oh, okay. How about we teach it with a little bit of white here. it doesn't know anything. It tries like to adjust to the levels. Didn't help. Yeah, totally. No, doesn't help. Okay, level gray. Still white. Also, let me do this. Okay, it looks really odd. Monon! It's always wrong time. Yeah, I will end this stream quite soon. I'm wondering what's happening. Why do I have this white level here? Level. What if I do level sync? This will be messing around with that one. Yeah, it messes around. Okay, scope time. Is this light bulb on? I really need to take a leak, but I want to go outside, play outside with the other kids today a little bit. Stop. Okay. Wait a second. What is this? Did I forget to change the constant? No. Huh? Why is this all white? Okay, I will take a leak. I will be back in a minute. Alright. I'm back. And I have some lemon cake here. Cheap ass Norma lemon cake. Oh, it went completely out of focus. There you go. Yeah. Football is a killer for the bones. This looks like a meaningful frame. This is the white. It's completely messed up. I don't know even why we see in the sink this jitter here. Okay, let me go to the regular frame. This is the black level. The dark lines that we draw at the end. Then we have what appears to be a long sink. Stop measuring. Long sink. Wait, why is there a really long sink? Huh? There is something off. But we get long. No. This is messed up. Short, no. Long. There should be a short sink. There is also a mess. Let me check that. We have a short sink. Short. So what we do is short level sink, pixels per line minus short pixels per line minus short minus reload. That's the black level. I thought PWM would continue at the last value. It might even. I'm not sure. But what is this thing here? It's like really messy. Have more resolution now. And this is the actual sync. So the buffers are messed up somehow. They're messed up here. Or the address is wrong. Oops. I don't want cursors anymore. Okay. This is sync. It's a little bit odd, but oh. This doesn't look right. Let's see where he said it wrong. Okay, we have I. VRAM I. Sync. There it is. Oh wait, the plus plus is here. Oh no. Wait, it increments at the end. That's alright. No, that's correct. But damn it. What is it? V blank. Let's remove that from the equation. And run and stop. Short, but this doesn't look like really short. Hey Manuel, thank you for the follow. Oh, there is one issue. I forgot that the short blank short sync, that the reload needs to be smaller than the short sync. I don't know if we can keep up with our we are messing around. Yeah, we can't keep up with that. So either we make the short sync longer to 20, because I see there is an issue with missing short sync. Okay, this is one thing that would be fixed. Just need to check, where is it? Come on. Sync. It still looks like there is a this is short. We have long. Short looks like it's. Oh yeah, there is. The PWM stops at basically at the point where it's the DMA is empty. It doesn't continue, and we are waiting a little bit longer. So that's the issue why these things are a little bit longer. It's sending black. This is not great. I would need to rewrite everything to use only the timer interrupt, the SysTick timer, and on that it set ups the DMA without an interrupt. So we need to shift everything to the timer interrupt and let the DMA continue working, doing its job. Okay, that's one thing, but for now, this alright. The other issue, I have no clue. This is what we also see here. The short sync is like really short. It's too short. I need to make the short sync as long as the long sync for now. Pixels back, okay. Yeah. Let's find out what this is. Why is this so messed up? Do we have space for more? How much VRAM did we eat? eat up. If we had like space for more RAM, that would be 101. Like one black line and we could just fill everything up with the black line. Ah. Okay, let's do 20 and see what happens there. Do we have? We see already the white coming out. And there is no black at the end because we removed that. Okay, there is the black, but still the first row, like the it is so weird. It looks like I'm missing lines here. Oh, this is wrong. Okay, fixed it. That's really embarrassing. Now that's fixed. J, oh yeah. And still broken. Is there still white? Oh. Hey. Okay, here we go. Pips. Pips, moment of truth. Huh? Hocus pocus. It is done. It is done. It shows it correctly. This is the first character on the screen. And we have some black levels on there, like blank lines on the bottom. Yeah. Okay. That's it. Stupid mistakes. Oh, now we are done. Okay. I'm happy for today. High resolution text mode. What? We could do maybe a few more characters, as I see. Okay, more characters. How much can we fit into the VRAM? How much can we fit into the VRAM? Text buffer. Row count is 32 right now. We can do probably 2 more. 34. It compiled. Okay. Two more rows. Oh, we need to initialize it as well. Row count is 34. Oh, buffer needs to be here. 4 and 2. All right, more text. Now, can we fit 40 characters? What do you think in one? 32? No, we probably can't. Let me do the front porch. Front porch. 8 pixels back 8. Let's see if we can fit another. No, that's clipped already. It's quite narrow. I mean, I can see it there. No, this is clipped. I would do 25 maybe, and wait, 28, 26 and 42. All right, that doesn't clip anymore. Yeah, you need to see closer. It's not close enough. What's the closest I can get here with this? This is as close as we can go. Okay, this is all right. Now, how many more can we fit there? Can we fit? At some point it will break. But frame lines, wait, characters 32, 36. Let's do 4 more. Six. That's wrong. 36. Oh, now we get issues with the sync. So we are really at the limit of what we can render here. I could only extend the back porch here. I mean the back sync. Blank pixels reload 26. Let's do 30. Yeah, there are still lines that are messed up. Nope. can't make that. I think the sync is fixing itself. So we can barely, what was before 19? If I do that, $36. I would need like to improve the code somehow. $36 calls. That's already $35. Yeah, if I do 35, then it will fix itself. That's the limit. 35 characters. An odd number. I don't take it. Bit shifts are almost always shit when done with C. Why? Because it tries like to do some fixing some carry return roll whatever. Okay, people. I'm quite happy with the result so far. Let me try something else. Oh, that's the bit. Okay, wait. I will check the assembly, but for now, I'm happy. This will be the background. Oh, really? Horror show? Okay, let's do a black. Gradient background. Gradient background doesn't look great. Let me not fill text buffer. Okay. Okay. Odd behavior. Loonyism. Okay, here you go. So this is text with gradient background in grayscale. And we have 35 characters. 35 characters printed. All right, I'm done for today, peeps. I go playing with the other kids, and I see you next time. Bye bye. Thank you for joining. Enjoyed the sunlight today. It's warm and cozy outside. Bye bye.